My window's filthy. It's upstairs. I'm not going to wash it. This is facing town. I think I'm going to open the window again.